In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a tassel to attach to the end of your shawl. So to do this, we'll need a piece of cardboard, your yarn, scissors, and a tapestry needle. So the cardboard. I've got a piece cut out here that's about 5 by 5 inches. That will create a tassel 5 inches tall. If you to cut your piece, the width doesn't matter as much for the size of your tassel, but it does allow you to get more wraps on there without worrying that it's going to fall off to get a thicker tassel. You just want something that's kind of easy to handle. So to get started, we're going to wrap our yarn around the height of our cardboard piece. Now I wrapped in the order that we used the yarn in the pattern. So I did 5 wraps of color A, and then 5 wraps of color B. So I always did 5 wraps of a color. And then in the pattern, after we used color B, we went back to color A. So I did 5 of A again. And then we went to color C, which for me was this one actually. So I did 5 wraps of C, and then A, and then C, and then D, and then A again. Doing 5 wraps each time. So just 5 wraps of each color going through the colors of this shawl will give you something that looks about this thick. This is about half the thickness of this tassel. So if you want something bigger and thicker, repeat that process. But if you want something a little skinnier, we can stop here. And so what you'll do is you'll trim off the stray strands at the bottom and cut along one edge. And if you wrap tight, it might be hard to get in there and cut those ends. Once you've cut your continuous loop along one edge, you can take all your strands off of the cardboard and lay them open. Then you'll take a strip of yarn in color A, about double the length of your strands that you've got. And you're going to place it right down the center of your ties, and you're going to give that a surgeon's knot. Now a surgeon's knot is like a regular overhand knot, but you go over twice and tighten it up. And then I do another overhand knot just one time to secure that in place. And ideally you want that placed right in the middle of your strands. So we've got the start to our tassel. You can shake it out a little bit. Now this end is what we're going to use to secure the tassel to our shawl. But we still need the little bundle on the top here. So you'll take another piece of color A that's, I'm going for about 2 feet long. You can always trim it up. You'd rather it be too long than too short. And you're going to come down about ½ an inch from that top knot. And you're going to make a surgeon's knot. Flip it over and then make another surgeon's knot. And then I just secure it with 2 overhand knots. You can trim these ends a little bit shorter and then take a tapestry needle to thread them through the tie down into the body of the tassel. And that will kind of hide your knot. And then the last step is to just trim the bottom evenly. And then there you are, you've got your tassel to attach to the end of your shawl, and I just thread these 2 ends through the front and the back of the shawl and weave them in as if they were just yarn ends.